Today we are going to install a GE RealMAX atmospheric gas water heater. Included in the box, you will find the product, pipe installation, and the use and care guide. The water heater is factory installed with 3/4 inch dielectric inlet and outlet ports, temperature and pressure relief valve, drain valve with 3/4 inch hose fitting. Carefully remove all packaging. Always refer to the use and care guide for detailed installation instructions. Proper air supply and ventilation are essential to the safe, effective operation of this residential gas water heater. Disconnect the water and gas connections from the previous water heater. Next, drain and flush the water heater. Remove the previous water heater from the installation location. The hot and cold water connections are 3/4 inch NPT and are clearly marked on all models. NPT stands for National Pipe Thread. Use 3/4 inch female NPT fittings with sealant suitable for potable water when connecting to the inlet-outlet ports. The installation of unions is recommended on the hot and cold water connections so that the water heater may be easily disconnected for service. Piping should be routed to allow for anode rod inspection and service. The drain pan's outer diameter should be at least 3 inches larger than the water heater base diameter, and the pan must not restrict combustion airflow. Drain pan kits sold separately, and kits are available from the store where the water heater was purchased or from geappliances.com. Attach the pipe to the drain pan. Place the water heater on top of the drain pan. Heated water expands, causing increased pressure, which is then trapped in a closed water system. This is referred to as thermal expansion. To control thermal expansion, install a thermal expansion tank in the cold water line between the water heater and the home's check valve. Measure the pipes. Use a level to ensure accurate installation. A new combination temperature and pressure relief valve, or T&P valve, is supplied and must remain installed in the opening provided and marked for this purpose on the water heater. Install pipe insulation. First, check that the drain valve is completely closed. Next, open the shutoff valve in the cold water supply line. Open hot water faucets slowly, allowing air to vent from the water heater and pipes. Wait until there is a steady flow of water from the hot water faucets. This indicates that the water heater is full. Finally, check connections and pipes for any leakage. The gas supply line should be composed of an approved gas piping material such as steel and properly sized for the water heater. Install an ANSI certified gas appliance connector or ground joint union in the gas line close to the water heater. Any flexible connectors in the gas line must be 36 inches or shorter. Joint compound should be used sparingly on male threads only and must be resistant to liquid petroleum gas. The unit can be registered by scanning the QR code on the product or on the registration card. Be sure to read all safety warnings before attempting to light the pilot. Begin with the control knob in the off position. Next, remove the burner access door. Turn the knob clockwise to the pilot position. Push the knob in and hold it in this position. Continue to hold the knob in and depress the piezo igniter repeatedly, about once per second, to light the pilot flame. Hold the knob in for about 30 seconds till the status indicator starts to blink. Release the knob and turn it clockwise to the desired temperature setting. The hot setting is approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Look through the sight glass window to verify a flame is present. Reinstall the burner access door. This completes the installation of the GE RealMAX atmospheric gas water heater. For more information about GE Appliances products, go to geappliances.com.